Welcome to World Beer Adventures with Becky and Matt. Join us on our weekend adventure around 8 of Southampton's craft beer bars and brewery taprooms. We hope you enjoy our video. Belgium and Blues is located in the cultural quarter of Southampton. They are a Belgian brasserie and craft beer cellar. There are some tables on street level up a couple of steps, and the bar and main seating area is located downstairs in the cellar. There is also a small outdoor seating area at the front. It is a cosy bar and busy on weekends as they host DJs. They specialise in both Belgian and craft beers, with a large variety of keg beers on offer. They also have fully stocked Belgian and craft beer fridges. On a Sunday they serve a Sunday roast. In the week they serve Belgian bites and pizzas. The food is excellent. Belgium and Blues is open Tuesdays and Sundays with varying opening hours. The Bottle and Stoat is about a 10-minute walk from Belgium and Blues in Bedford Place. They specialise in craft beer, wine and cider. As well as a bar, they are a bottle shop. They are located on street level, and the bar has lovely comfy seating options to chill out and enjoy a good beer or two. They have an excellent range of both cask and keg beers, as well as lots of cans in the beer fridges. They have a lot of different craft beers from across the UK for you to try. They are open daily from 12 PM with varying closing hours. Overdraft Beer and Tacos, Bedford Place, is around the corner from Bottle and Stoat. There are a couple of steps to get inside. The bar is in the centre with different seating options around. They also have some benches outside the front for the warmer weather. There are 3 Overdraft Beer and Tacos sites, with 2 in Southampton and 1 in nearby Winchester, all serving craft beer and tacos. At their bar in Bedford Place they have 20 craft beers on tap, categorised by beer style. The beer choice was great, with beers from across the UK to sample. They serve Mexican street food including tacos Monday to Saturday, but serve Sunday roasts on a Sunday. They have regular events such as Taco Tuesday and Student Wednesdays. They also have DJs performing on weekend evenings. They are open daily with varying opening hours. Vibrant Forest Brewery and Taproom is located in the nearby village of Hardley, on the edge of the New Forest, in the Purlieu Centre. It is across the river from Southampton, which you can easily reach by bus and a short walk. It has step-free access into the taproom and has seating outside in the warmer months. There are lots of benches in the main taproom area, and it has a nice chilled vibe. The taproom also has an upstairs function room which can be hired for private events. They serve around 14 of their own beers on tap and have a well-stocked fridge for cans to drink in or take away. It was very popular for takeaway purchases when we were there on a Saturday. The beers are excellent and we sampled a few of their different styles. They have street food trucks which alternate regularly. You can purchase a wide range of merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies and glassware. You can do a brewery tour for £15 by booking in advance online. They are open Wednesdays to Sundays with varying opening hours. Unity Brewing Co is located in the Northern district of Southampton, in the Northern Business Centre. It has 1 step to get inside. Seating inside is on benches, and you can easily see the brewery at the back. There's also a small beer garden. It has a nice atmosphere to chill out and play board games or video games if you like. They have up to 12 beers on tap, as well as cans in the fridge from breweries across the UK. They have food trucks on occasion and sometimes host events. They are open Fridays from 4 PM to 8 PM and Saturdays from midday to 10 PM. The Butcher's Hook Alehouse is located near Riverside Park. It is a compact bar housed in a former Victorian butcher's shop and has step-free access. It is Southampton's original micropub, serving craft beers, real ale, cider, wine and gin. It has seats inside, but you will have to stand if it is really busy on the weekend. There are a few seats outside on the front also. The beers are served at the back, and they have 2 cask beers and 9 keg beers available. Their beers were excellent. They also have bottles and cans available. You can check out their latest beer list on their website. They host events such as a regular homebrew club. They are open Tuesdays to Sundays with varying opening hours. The Bookshop Alehouse is located in north-east Southampton. There are a couple of steps to get inside, but there is a ramp up to the bar and to the toilets. It has a variety of seating options inside, amongst the second-hand books for purchase. They serve both cask and keg beers from around the UK, with 4 of each being available at any time. There is also a beer fridge serving a small selection of cans. They also serve 3 different types of ciders. It is a nice bar to relax, read or chat. You can order food from the nearby takeaways to eat inside. They have a small range of merchandise, including beanie hats and t-shirts. There is a regular quiz and they have a Facebook page which details forthcoming events. They are open Tuesdays to Sundays with varying opening hours. Man Brewery is located in the Wall House in Town Quay. It was built in the 13th century as a warehouse. It has step-free access and a ramp up to the bar on the left-hand side. Otherwise, the bar is accessed via a couple of steps. There are a variety of seating options inside, and on the one side you can see the brewery kit. They have an upstairs seating area and benches outside the front. It gets very busy on weekends and on warm days. They brew their own beer on site, and you can expect 10 beers on keg and 5 on cask at any one time. Their beers are excellent. They also serve a variety of pub grub and serve a roast dinner on Sundays. If you're just peckish, they sell handmade biltong, crisps and pretzels. They host live bands on occasion, so please check their website for details of upcoming events. They are open daily with varying opening hours. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope we've inspired you to check out the Southampton craft beer scene. We'll be posting more videos soon of our beer adventures across the UK and Europe. Please subscribe to see these videos and more. We've been Becky and Matt from World Beer Adventures. We hope to see you soon on our next beer adventure.